everyone, so today I have got a mystery box unboxing for you guys. I have got a Mallows mystery box from Mallows Beauty. So I've seen Mallows Beauty on Instagram all over. They're like their scrubby thing that they do to stop you from getting like shaving rashes and stuff. And I've heard a few of you guys mention Mallows Beauty and all like about their products, but I've never really bit the bullet and bought their stuff. And then I seen that they were doing a mystery bundle for £30. I thought, what a good way to like dip my toe into the brand. So I've got it here. I'm going to show you what I got. And you guys know I love to unbox mystery boxes for you. So it was another excuse for that. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I got for £30 in their mystery box. And I'll link it down below if I can. So the first thing we've got here is the Conditioning Tropical Mermaid Mane Mask. I love the packaging. Love the packaging of all this stuff, to be honest. Very pretty. It says, want to treat your locks to a tropical holiday? Gorge. My tropical hair treatment shot is going to give your hair that extra hit of hydration that it needs. Silky soft, gorgeously glossy hair it's a smoothie of coconut oil, papaya extract and vitamin A and B5 to help you achieve cloud-like softness. It's suitable for all hair types. It says, use me after shampoo and gently massage me into your damp and luscious locks, focusing on the ends. Tighten and relax, leave on for 5 minutes and rinse through. So I feel like it's a bit like that L'Oreal Wonder 8 thing. Is that right? That's what it seems like. And anyways, ooh, exciting. The next thing we've got is the Hyaluronic Acid Body Cleanser. Ooh, what's this? So do you think this is for like KP? It says, get naked and jump in the shower, rub all over your beautiful body, appreciate your body, it got you here today. Right, I just want the steps, so I don't really need all this, but it's like just saying it for us to appreciate your body. So rub it all over your beautiful body, dry and glow, babe, you've got this. So do you put this on after your shower, before you wash your skin? It just says, get naked and jump in the shower, and then rub all over your body. But then it's not saying wash off or dry. I'm going to have to look this up. Yeah, it hasn't really got the best instructions on it, but that is what we got. Now, I understand like behind their brand is like loving yourself and things like that, but I just need clear instructions. I just do. I don't know. Right, the next thing we've got is the Violet Glaze Body Butter. It says to make you glow inside out. I love a good body butter. I love the packaging on this. Let's see what the instructions says. After using my Violet Glaze Body Scrub, grab a handful of the body butter and rub all over your beautiful body. Give those areas which are really dry some extra love. Right, and it does say follow with a post-shave serum as well. Oh, it smells lovely. Like, I can't put my fingers on it. It's a different scent, not a scent that I'm used to, but it does smell nice. And looking like we've got the matching scrub. So I'm liking that we're getting the matching scrub. And it's basically, it's saying, get glowing and glazed with this Violet Glaze Body Scrub. A blend of vitamin A, sweet almond oil and gritty sugar to help smooth, intensely nourish your skin. This super sweet, spongy formula will help to soothe razor rash and ingrown hairs. This is the product that I've been wanting then. So this looks fab. And yeah. Oh, it's got the same scent. I don't know whether it's my favourite scent. I feel like it's got very strong cocoa butter in it, the scent. But I'm not sure. I'm just having a look, see if I can see. I definitely feel like it's got a coconut oil cocoa butter scent, but it's meant to be, I think it's Violet Glaze, that's what it's called. But yeah, the scent's quite a strong scent. I like it, but it's not like something I would choose. It's nice though. And then we've got the post-shave oil. So I've got the set, basically what I need in this mystery box. So I don't know whether she's put this in the mystery box because like this is what they're famous for, like this 3-piece set thing. But I'm so happy I've got that because literally, even though it's not in my most favourite scent, it smells nice though. Like when I first smelled the body butter, I was like, oh, I like that. But then, you know, as you get more of it, you're like, oh, do I like it, you know? But I'm just excited to try it. So it says here, Get ready to glow with this gorgeous violet glaze body oil. It smells so sweet and dreamy. Oh, and your skin will have never looked so good. It's packed full of apricot oil, which is rich in vitamin C and E to improve skin tone, maintain softness and radiance, all while nourishing and brightening your skin. Rub me in for a quick, gorgeous, glowing complexion. That's not all, babe. This little pot of magic is amazing for soothing your skin after you shave to prevent razor rash and ingrown hairs. So excited about that. So excited. And I think that is everything. So I'm going to run through everything I got again. So we got basically the violet glaze set. I don't know how much this costs, but we got the body scrub, the body butter and the shave oil. So I'm so chuffed with that, like so chuffed with that. And I think we're getting our £30 worth. I feel like we have. Then we've gotten this hyaluronic acid body, oh, it's a body cleanser, so you wash yourself in the shower. I didn't realise. I was totally being a bimbo about that. Yeah, you wash yourself in the shower with that. Ignore my earlier comments about this. It's a body cleanser. You wash yourself in the shower with it. It's basically in the name. Ignore my, I was having a bimbo moment. I was having a bimbo moment. Yeah. And then this hair mask oil thing. I'm so excited about this. But I mean, use this as one of my advent calendar days for my niece, because I think she would like this. I think she would like the packaging. I think she would like to try the product. But we'll see. I may keep it for myself. But I don't struggle with my hair. But yeah, that is my Mallows mystery box. I'm really happy with it. I'm happy that I got something I really wanted. I'm excited to try all the products. Would I say it was like amazing value? I honestly don't know how much her individual products cost. I should have looked this up, shouldn't I? But I'm happy with the products that I've got. You know, you're not getting like, I don't know, £100 worth of value. I mean, you could be, but I don't think you are. But I'm still happy with what I got in this mystery box. Yeah, I'm dead happy with it, actually. So chuffed. It's been a while since I've been that happy with a mystery box as well, so that's good. And that is my Mallows mystery box. If you like mystery box unboxings, advent calendar unboxings, anything like that, or just somebody who is just like you and likes to talk about beauty, I would love it if you subscribed down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.